All right, boom. Let's talk about it. How much money do you actually need to start trading? Now, one, this really depends on what you're trading to. Now, this will vary between if you're trading options, futures, or crypto, but we'll go ahead and go over everything. So, look, one thing you got to understand though, if you're coming into the game already worried about this, you got to understand that the more money you have in your account does not mean that you're going to be a better trader. If anything, it might honestly be hurtful to you. What a lot of people end up coming and doing who actually have a decent amount of bread from their real life, they end up coming over to the markets and just absolutely blowing it all, thinking that they can just go in with, oh, I have a bunch of money, so let me go in and put 10 bands in my account and I have no clue how to read the chart. I don't know what supply and demand is or a breakout, but I'm going to go and put 10 bands in my account. Stop doing that. You got to understand that trading is a skill, and just like anything, I understand that you can come on here and make some really fast money, but at the end of the day, this is a process based skill. So you need to calm yourself down before you've been thinking about anything else. So listen, a $10,000 account or a $100 account is the same thing as $1 million account. You're still going to play with the same risk parameters. You're still just going to trade the same way. The only difference is, guys, is the amount of size and contracts that you have. That's it. That's it. That's the only difference. Now listen, it doesn't really matter how much you guys start with, honestly. Ideally, though, for a good range, I'll say for crypto futures and options, I don't recommend you guys put more than $1,000 in account. So I highly recommend you guys start with less than $1,000, and I highly recommend you guys try to challenge yourself to at least try to get to at least 10K. So start with 500 or $1,000 and try to grow that money to at least $10,000. If you can do that, then you are a profitable trader and you are able to go ahead and deposit more than $1,000 each and every single time. But until you're able to start an account with 500 or $1,000, I don't care if you're on options, futures, or crypto. Until you're able to start an account with 500 to $1,000 and take that to 10K plus, you're not ready. You're not ready. Because what's going to happen is you're going to be like, oh, I have all this money in my account. Let me go ahead and just start over leveraging and doing whatever. Stop. Take your time. Trading is a skill. You need to earn your position size. Way too many people who don't earn their position size. I don't really care how much money you guys have been stacking up in real life. Don't come into the markets and blow it all and lose it all. Because one thing, let me tell you about this trading game. If you don't know what's going on, whether it's getting margin called on futures, whether your options getting zeroed out because you're buying zero DTEs and you don't know when to get in, etc., you can lose money very fast in trading, extremely fast, and it will shock you more than anything. So make sure you take your time, get the fundamentals down, and then you should think about going ahead and depositing more than $1,000 each time. But as a brand new trader, and even if you're just unprofitable and you've been trading for like some years, still give it some time. Don't be over depositing because you guys are going to be in the wrong mindset of trading. Either you're going to be in the mindset of, oh, what if I lose this? What if I lose this money? If you're trading and you're thinking, what if I lose this money? That's not money you need to be trading with, and you need to take that out of your account immediately because you're not going to be trading with the right psychology. You're not going to be patient, and you're going to be greedy, and you're going to be fearful. And all of those emotions that come with trading are naturally baked into it. So why would you do anything to add to your plate? You need to understand that, okay, let me go ahead and take a chill pill for a second. I realize that, okay, if I throw in 10 bands in an account and I barely know how to trade supply and demand, yeah, I might get lucky on a meme coin or a meme stock GME pump, but what happens after that? I'm sure you guys have seen all the horror stories on Reddit and stuff like that, etc., of people making millions and millions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars through options plays, through earnings and stuff like that. Just getting very lucky trades, and then they don't close. They don't close because they don't know how to actually get on the higher time frames and be like, okay, wait a minute. There's structure here. I see the daily is topping out over here. I see there's large amounts of selling here. I should maybe get out. They can't get on the chart and quickly analyze where the zones of high areas of buying and selling are at because people are just trading, just trying to gamble and make some money. Stop treating trading like gambling. I see way too many people do that, and it's getting extremely frustrating, man. Stop coming in the game too thinking that, oh, I'm just gonna come in and just trying to make some money. You got to understand that this is a day after day after day after day grind. Trading will never, like, once you start this, man, I'm telling you, once you start this, you won't stop, man. You won't stop. There's been too many people who try to quit, but you can't quit because you know the possibility. And once you guys crack the code, it's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing, and it's a humbling journey. Inshallah, it's going to get you guys a lot closer to God. You guys are going to start going through a lot of spiritual changes. You're going to start being more of a patient person, and you're just going to start realizing a lot of flaws about yourself. But honestly, once you guys do conquer it, and obviously, we're going to get better every day, so nothing is final. But obviously, once you guys do streamline your mindset and get a much better mindset, it's a lot easier to go ahead and deposit large amounts of money in an account and be like, oh, okay, I know I can flip this most likely, because you're not going to be tripping that hard. But when you're a noob and you have like 5K in account, your heart is literally thumping, especially if you don't know about stop loss, risk management, none of that, etc. And if you don't, get with me for mentorship. The first call is free. And join my Discord as well, inshallah. I give a 1-day free trial for signals. You guys can also purchase my beginner to profitable course and the ebook I have coming out soon. Anyways, besides that, listen. See way too many people, way too many people over depositing, man. Over depositing is a thing. Just like over leverage is a thing, over depositing is a thing. Some of you are depositing way too much in your account that you're not ready for. Once again, keep it from, I won't even say 500 to 1,000. I'll say 100 to 1,000. 100 to 1,000, man. 100 to 1,000. That's going to be, 100 to 1,000, bro. That's going to be the range that you should be capped out on. Don't invest any more money than this. If you can't take $100 to $1,000 account to 10K, then you do not deserve to deposit more than 1K. Like, that's just what it is, bro. If you can't take an account from $100, or if you can't take an account that's $100 to $1,000 to 10K, then you don't deserve to deposit more than 1K. And keep your money in your bank account and keep it away from you, because you're not ready. You're not ready, man. So try to grow your account, because once you realize that you're able to grow a little to a lot, that's going to really turn on your brain, and you're going to realize, wait a minute, this is a process-based game. If I could turn a little to a lot, what happens if I scale up? And you're just going to be a much more disciplined person and trader, inshallah, and it's going to be great, man. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. It's been StackMODE Chris. I'm proud of y'all. I love y'all. Peace. I'm giving a 1-day free trial in my StackMODE trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.